Hi and welcome back to another Whiteboard Wednesday with me, Sam Ashdown. I'm going to talk to you about putting the F in your website. So, what do I mean by putting the F in your website? Well, good question, and I'm glad you asked. What I'm talking about is the way that somebody's eye looks at your website. So let's say a typical website is like this. It's got your lovely logo there. It's got your company name there. It's probably got your phone number there. And then it's probably got a big image there with a search box on it to search for their perfect property. That's probably pretty much what yours looks like. They've written navigation across the top as well. The issue that I have with this is when somebody looks at your website, they look in an F shape. So they start up here and they go down and then they go across and they go across and they go down like that. So it's basically an F that overlays your website. So that's the way the eye goes. Now it depends on what is on your website as to how the eye gets tracked. Because if there's a cuddly baby over here with great big eyes, they'll probably go all the way across to there. But their natural inclination on almost all websites is to do this F shape. What's the problem with the F shape? Well, one of the most important apexes, it's just got your logo on it. The other important apex is you've got a property search on it. Who are you trying to attract on your website? Is it not vendors and landlords? In which case, put the stuff that they want to know in the F, particularly here and particularly here. So what we have on our website is here we have a big button that says, tell us about your unique home here. And our property search is nowhere to be found on that page. And that's how we prefer it, because actually we're trying to attract vendors, not buyers. And if we did lettings, we'd be trying to attract landlords and not tenants. So if you want to attract landlords and vendors to your website and make sure they convert, pay attention to the F, put the F in your website and just see what happens. And I'll see you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. If you'd like to know more about what FireWave can do for you, just go to fire-wave.co.uk/start. And there you'll be able to find lots of information about exactly what we do at FireWave here, and also to be able to see if your area is available, because we only work with one agent per competitive area. So go there straight away because your competitor may already be doing it. Put your details in and we'll be back in touch with you straight away.